Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be doing some painting on a Jhumka which I've already made. So I'm actually just going to take little black paint. You can take any kind of paint. I'm just using a regular one, and I'm just making little roses on this with a little leaves obviously. And if you want to know how to make this Jhumka, I have left the link of my video of it in the description. You can go to the channel, you can subscribe and do all of those things as you already know. And here I am doing a little broken petals over it and some more roses from the distance of, and I've made 3. You can do it accordingly in whatever size and whatever way you're making it. So use very thin paintbrush. I have got like a 4 number paintbrush. I don't know exactly what numbers to use, but use very thin paintbrush here. And I think we are done with the first one over here, and this is the second one that we are doing. We're making small leaves with it. We're gonna sprinkle some sparkle in it as paint gets really darker when it just dries off. It becomes very, texture is very dry when it dries off, so it doesn't pops. It depends on you, whatever outcome you like. So I'm using sparkle pens because I really like it to get a little glittery and sparkly, just so that it pops out as it is supposed to pop out. So I'm using silver sparkle pen. They are available very easily everywhere. I'll leave all the links in the description. And I'm just adding a little silver on the inside, or you can use a white paint as well, whatever way you are going on it. I'm just adding a little on the petals in the center, and I'm just going to make small swirls like falling off it, and little black sparkle pen just to accentuate the petals of the rose. And yeah, keep on doing whatever way you like it. Just don't mix all the colors, just don't make it too sparkly, and just don't get on filling on it. We're just adding a little outline of sparkle to it so that it just pops out, that it's part of it. Don't fill with it because then it gets very weird. So yeah, I'm just adding a little dot, like little trickles of. So like you're gonna add little trickles of it over all the place with distance. I'm using very minimal of it because it shouldn't look. And here we are done with that, and we're just gonna go with some finishing in the end as well. Here we're almost done with it. It is our second Jhumka is almost done, and it drops a lot of times, so just try to pick it lightly so that it doesn't get intermixed and just pull up a khichdi of all the colors. You have to make it very much on the outlines only. Now if you like this video and you want to know more about how to make quilling jewelry, you can subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram @artisticepiphany. Here we have the whole design, and you can share it with your art enthusiastic friends and family. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to know more. Thank you.